Hello everyone, I'm Sam Parulekar and I'm excited to welcome you to this journey. Whether you are an aspiring architect, a designer, or an engineer, you have come to the right place to master the industry's gold standard, that is AutoCAD 2027. AutoCAD is more than just a drawing tool. It's a bridge between your imagination and the real world. We use it to visualize ideas in precise 2D and 3D, ensuring that every measurement and detail is perfect. But we don't just draw, we communicate. I'll show you how to turn your digital designs into professional blueprints ready for the printer or for the global digital sharing. I know that the software can look complex, but we are going to break it down together. By focusing on the core tools and the new Autodesk AI features, you'll realize it's actually quite intuitive.
My mission here is to help you work smarter, not harder. I would be sharing the pro workflows I've learned over the years so you can go from beginner to efficient faster than you ever thought possible. This is just the beginning of your creative journey. Over the coming lessons, we'll build your skills step by step, starting with the very foundations of a project. I'm honored to be your instructor, so let's open up the software and take that first step together. I'll see you in the next lesson.